Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, this story I like, and there was never a chance that I was not going to do a video on this story, because this is exactly the sort of story that I would love to do videos about. So with that guys, I bring you this. 96-year-old man weds his 73-year-old heartthrob in Abuja. So that's the headline. 96-year-old man weds his 73-year-old heartthrob in Abuja. So now let's see what this love story is all about. Piri Village in Kwali Area Council in Abuja was recently in a celebratory mood as 96-year-old Pa Abdurrahman Monsebwawe got married to his lover, 73-year-old Rukaya Yaman Piri, on October 17th. Pa Monsebwawe was a widower before he met Rukaya, fell in love with her, and decided to make her his wife. In a chat with News Agency of Nigeria, Pa Monsebwawe, who is the oldest man in Kiyi Village in Kuje Council area Abuja, said despite the fact that he had grown-up children who had wives that could take care of him, he wanted his own wife, as no woman would be able to take care of him as his own wife. According to him, many people tried to talk him out of getting married again, but he decided to stick to his decision as he loved Rukaya so much he wanted her as his wife. Pa Monsebwawe's first wife, Hajia Zainab Godobi, died in 2008. Though I married a widower, Salamatu, after my wife's death, her children took her away some years ago, leaving me without a wife. Hence, I asked Rukaya to marry me, and Allah made her accept. I am very happy, he said. On her part, Rukaya expressed joy at getting married to a gentleman like Pa Monse. So now guys, what is not to love about this storyline? It is entirely all of the substance of life in this little narrative that we've just heard, and the whole essence of life, the whole story of life is boy meets girl. That is all of the story of life, and there's no real story in life outside of that. The whole story of life, if you were to boil it down to one singularity, the story is boy meets girl. So this is a story of boy meets girl and love blossoms. So now what doesn't now tickle the cockles of the heart? What doesn't make your heart go mush over this story? So here we have, what's his age again? Let me just make sure I've got that age right. So here we have a 96-year-old playboy, Mr. Bombastic, Mr. Lover, going up to this young little girl of 73, saying, "Babe, come now. How far? Come now. I like you now. You're fine now. Come on now. Come into my car. Come, and I'll give you sweet." So he has used sweet to entice this 73-year-old woman. But of course, I jest. But really, this is just a heartwarming, gladdening story that's coming out of our own space in Nigeria, just as a break from that heavy duty Malam Buhari brutality stuff that we feed on almost on a minute basis, never mind on a daily basis. So a break from the dark clouds of Buhari and his cabal, just to remind us of what the essence of humanity is. And the essence of humanity, as I said, of course, if you boil it down to a singularity, is boy meets girl. So this is a boy meets girl story, a gladdening story, a light-hearted story, a love story, a Romeo and Juliet. So now what says you? What sort of love tales do you have to tell to the delight of all of us? Come share thoughts of love in the comment section. This is where we're going with this one. But before you come share your lovely tales, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come, let's do love wanting tea in the comment section. So I'll leave you here. Join you in the comment section. But here I say peace.